Lesson 3, Procedures. Congratulations on completing Lesson 2. Now that you have mastered the process for cleaning a bathroom, you are ready to master the second strategic function, which is procedure. Procedure teaches which product, tool, and action you use to clean a particular area or item. This is the other 50% of cleaning a bathroom. Using the correct action, tool, and product, along with the process you just learned, will guarantee you leave every area and item clean and shining in the time allotted for cleaning a bathroom. Many areas and items use different tools and actions to give the best results. And another but equally important reason for using the correct tool and action is to prevent breakage and damage while performing your work. Breakage and damage is very expensive and does not normally leave a happy client or a tip. As a cleaner, you have the most important role in this company, delivering our service to our clients. I would guess that you now have a training manual in front of you that covers all the procedures used at this company, as well as what tools you carry in your cleaning apron. You will also learn what it means to wipe, rub, scrub, and scour a particular item or area like a sink, a shower, or even a picture frame. There's a lot of material covered here, so again, please pay attention, understand what is expected of you, and ask questions if you do not understand. Your final lesson, Lesson 4, is a quiz covering the process you just learned and the procedures you are about to learn. Be sure that you understand and have retained what you are learning in this lesson before you ask for Lesson 4. When you are ready, I will see you for the quiz.